Okay, good. This is the second last to the last lesson of Unit 6. Long division. The next lesson going to be that. What you know why they put a long division here? Why they put a long? To differentiate another
type of
short division, but that is synthetic division. Synthetic division. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to turn off this. Otherwise, the audio will be bad. Thank you, Ray. Who else doesn't have the notes? I think. Okay, good. Let me check that. All right. Let's do some elementary problem.
Do we get points up?
Let's see. Wow, so hard problem. Extremely difficult. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
157. Do that little 90. 150.
Right. 155. 157. Divide. Why don't you put 5 right here, right?
And then it's gonna be 0 and then a 30.
Hold on. Chill.
How about you let people go
I know,
up
I
there
know.
and then give them points?
I know you all gonna pass the elementary school. But chill.
Yeah, can we go write it for a point?
No, that's not a point. That's not a point because I want to link this into today's lesson.
Are you
Okay?
gonna get a point? There's no homework.
You're gonna get this. You're gonna get this.
But no, we're not gonna expect it.
Okay, think about what you're gonna do when you was in elementary school. Oh, let's talk about a name.
No, 31.
All right, 157. What you gonna do first? All right, Omar, go ahead.
You're gonna see how many times the 5 fits into the 1, and then it's gonna be 0. So you're gonna see how many.
What?
What's
zero?
With your eyes.
What you gonna do first?
You're gonna see how many times this 5 fits into the number.
You can read it.
Yes,
with your
but
eyes.
but basically in algebraic process, what you gonna do? You're gonna
Divided by 5.
divide it by 5. What do you have? 3.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
I'm still thinking step by step elementary school.
What is the first step?
It would be like how many times it would fit into the 1, and there would be 0, and then it would be 3.
Right. So 1 is that cannot divide by 5. You move to the 15, right? 15 divided by 5 is 3. What you gonna do next? Are you paying attention here? Let's stop the party. Let's focus here. Yeah. Fine. What you wanna do next? Not yet. You jump the gun. Not yet. What you gonna do next? 5 times 3, right? So it's gonna be 15. Now you're gonna do subtract. Yes. Subtract, right? This is gonna be 0. What you gonna do next? You drop down to 7. And you divide it. What do you have? 1. 1 times 5. 1 times 5, you have 5. What color? I have so many colors.
I feel like you're confusing yourself.
There we go. Right? Yeah, and then the line. What is 5 minus 7 minus 5? 2. Can we divide more? No. So what is it called? Remainder. Okay. Hold on, chill. We learn math. We're not like getting point. Okay. That's not the main
Why
goal.
make that?
Okay? We'll. All right. I will get point. Don't worry. Whoever just contribute, I know you want to get point. Okay. Good. What is the name of this? Let's talk about the name.
Division.
What comes to your mind? What is the name of this? Divisor. Okay. This is the divisor.
Can I get a quick?
Okay. So let's get point before I forget. Okay. Sabrina, Irma, Dana, Karen. Who else? That's it, right? Okay. What is the name of this?
Dividend.
Dividend. Okay.
Point.
Okay. David, 1 point. Dividend. Okay. What is the name of this?
Solution.
So that is solution. What is the name? Quotient, right? Quotient.
Goes. Oh my god.
Because it's
My elementary school teacher called us Bobo for not.
Oh my god.
Yeah, quotient. So that's the name. Divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder, right? Elementary school. Who? Okay, credit 1 point. Okay,
You get me off.
that's elementary. But now we're in high school. What are we gonna do? We do something look like this.
Of course.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You see this?
I swear, all high school does is grab elementary things and makes it harder.
Yeah.
How many years from elementary school to high school? Like, how many years? Yeah. So
Exactly. How
You should expect. You should expect something harder.
No, I don't wanna do this anymore. Oh my god.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. They're exactly the same.
Variables and exponents.
They exactly the same process. Okay. Come on. You want to go back to elementary school?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I want nap time back.
That's preschool. What the hell?
Preschool. That's true. That's too far. That's too far. Go back to time machine.
I used to have my little bed and we used to go play stuff.
All right,
bring
focus.
out,
We bought Anna. See, look at Anna. What did we do to her? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, no.
What do you put right here, Jacob? The dividend, right? So you're gonna put 4x squared. Exactly same process. Exactly same process. You're gonna do 1 by 1. Minus 10. What do you put right here, Jacob? Last thing. Yeah, that is, what is the name? Divisor. Very good. 1 point by Jacob. Let me just use. I'm gonna stick with the color. Consistent with the color. Okay? You ready? Done writing?
No.
Just want you to focus. Because exactly the same thing.
Oh.
Oh. Wait, I didn't teach anything yet.
No, I see it. I see it.
Okay, good.
I'm just weird.
That's fine. All right. Let's read the first note. Who want to read it? All right, Fernando, go.
Divide given in standard form, highest power first, and zero and zero as a coefficient of 10 using power.
Okay, next. You can skip the for example. Next, you can continue.
Divide a function of a given by point of function of a divisor, allowing all like turn equally by answer.
All right, so good. 1 point, Fernando. Is it standard form already? Yeah, yes. Right, Sabrina? Yes. And does it missing any power? Like this is the square is the highest one. You go down to 1, yeah, you have it, and you go down to no x. So everything is here. Okay, so that's good. Step 2 is you're gonna divide only the front. That's why I bold the word front. Only the front. Divide only this by this. Like you divide 15 by 5. Okay, same thing you're gonna do here. What is 4x squared divided by x? 4x, very good. Right now, Kayla, continue. What do we do next? We multiply 3 by 5. Right? Same thing. We multiply 4x by x. So you're gonna 4x squared. They're going to be always the same. But look at the next step. Multiply back the answer to the whole divisor. What does it mean?
Wait, you divided by the whole thing?
I know what you just said. What does it mean here?
So you divide
I can't read those.
4x squared.
You multiply 4x by
X minus 2.
not x minus 2. That means
X.
that's the negative 2 also.
Yeah.
Okay, that means 4x times x, but you need also to multiply 4x by negative 2.
Oh.
That's what it means. Okay, the whole thing. So what is 4x times negative 2, Caleb?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Negative 8x. I'm gonna put them a line. That's the step 2 right there. Put them a line. X squared with x squared, x with x. Good so far? 1 point for Caleb.
I think I'm getting.
Yeah. It's just exactly the same process. There's no thing different. Well, only have the variable difference. And then what next? What are we gonna do next? We subtract them, right? You see what left over. So subtract them.
Wait, we subtract the 3x with the 8.
Right, that's what I'm gonna do next. Exactly what I'm going next. Because it's a subtraction. If you keep like this, somehow you're gonna forget the minus sign right here. So I like you all to do this. You go to subtract for sure, but then you're gonna change this right away. Just change them to plus. Okay. So you know that you change the sign right here and then you add them. Okay. That may be better. I think it's better to prevent a lot of mistake. Because you're gonna change the sign, you subtract them, right? So minus and minus then become positive. Or maybe you can write it this. So keep them the same, but then you're gonna write the top. This is gonna be plus, okay? Circle it, this is gonna be plus. Circle this one. Okay. I'll circle wrong one, so this is plus, yeah, so plus them. Now, your negative 3x plus ax is is
Five.
5 or negative 5?
Five.
5, okay? So make sure. I think if the mistake, you're gonna make a mistake, that's gonna be called from the sign, okay? 5x. What next?
You bring down the 10.
Exactly. You as far as that similar to here, you're gonna bring down a 7. Here you're gonna bring down a negative 10. Right? Who wants to do next? All right, David, go ahead.
Multiply by 5.
Huh?
I mean, yeah, so x minus 2, to make it equal to that one, it would be times 5 now.
Right, but let's do the step by step.
Okay.
This is easy to see. Sometimes it's not easy. That's not easy to see. So you're gonna divide only the front by the front. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. 5x divided by x is
5x.
5. Positive or negative? Positive 5. Very good. What you do next? You're gonna multiply back.
By 5.
Right? You're gonna multiply back. 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 times x, you're gonna have
5x
5x
minus 10.
minus, yes, because 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Well,
And no remainder.
right. You can see here. You can put the minus, you change the sign. But when you see they're exactly the same like this, that's mean they're gonna be
No remainder.
right. 0 remainder. Right? This is the remainder.
So it's answer.
No, this is not the answer yet. Okay. How do you write the answer? Let's talk about the one in elementary school. We didn't write the answer actually. All right. So how do we write the answer here? How do you write the answer here? 31. Oh, don't write R. Don't write in that way. We want to be more specific now. Okay. How do you write the remainder?
0.2.
0.4.
No. Write in fraction.
Divided by.
Tell me what you write. 31. How do you write a remainder in fraction? Chris, go ahead, Chris. So plus, right? Plus 2 over 5.
I'm sorry. Oh, because it's 2 over.
Because this is the remainder, so they must be divided by the divisor. Yeah? Because this cannot divide it, but we don't have enough here to divide it. So you still need to keep the divisor. Yeah? What, Chris? Yeah?
So what is it?
Oh, David, yeah. David, you're gonna give me the answer and then you're gonna use your point. What is the answer here?
It's exactly as it's written because there's no remainder.
Right, so it's gonna be?
4x plus.
Plus 5.
Very good. Yeah. One more for David. Exactly same process, right? Same process.
Yeah, but I can do. Yeah.
Oh, if you,
Which is like.
let's say, if I want to check this, you don't need to check this. But because this is the first assemble, if I want to check if this answer is correct, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna multiply back to the divisor to see if I can get the dividend, right? So same thing here. If I want to check if this is the answer, what I'm gonna do? What do I multiply? So 4x
Plus 5.
times
X4 minus.
x minus 2, right? That's the divisor. You need to multiply back to see if you get back the dividend. Okay? Are we doing good there? Make sure you pay attention, okay? All right. Foil. What do we have? You want to try? Ruby? 4x squared minus ax
Plus 5.
plus 5x minus 10. Combine that term. Does it match with dividend? That's when it's correct. You don't need to check it. I'm just showing you how we check it. If you want to check the result, but we don't need to check it. Okay. This is the correct answer. 1 point for Ruby. Not that bad, right? It's just similar to the one you learned in elementary school. It's just now you have like ladder.
X. Plus 5. Plus 8 over. Are you waiting for us to solve it?
No, and then waiting for you to write it down first.
Oh.
You done writing? Okay,
No.
let's do one more time together and then we're gonna ask someone to walk with me, okay? What do I put right here?
X plus
Square
5
plus
plus 8.
plus 8.
All right, the divisor.
X plus
X plus.
All right, let's do. You want to try though? Actually, what you try? All right, younger.
X.
First, this missing any missing power. This is missing any power. No, right? Let's start from 2, go to 1, and go to 0. So everything is there. Okay. So that's the first step you should check every time. Next, you're gonna divide only the front. Only the front. Okay. So x squared divided by x is x. What do you want to do next? Multiply back. You have x squared
plus x3,
plus 3x.
3x,
Yeah. The number go first. Number go first. All right. What are you gonna do next?
subtract
You
it,
subtract them, right? To see what you have left and continue. So you're gonna
change it,
change this to negative. Okay, you're gonna become negative. And then you add them. The first one always 0. The first one always 0 because we purposely divide this. So when you multiply back, they will be 0. Okay, 5x minus 3x is
2x,
2x. What are you gonna do next?
put down the 8,
Put down, drop down to 8. Can you still divide it 2x by x? Yes, right. So continue and until you're unable to do so. 2x divided by x is 2. Multiply back, what do you have? 2x and
Plus 6.
plus 6. All right, give 1 point for younger. Now, Kayla, you want to do it? You subtract them, right? What do you have?
2.
2, right? So you change this one by to the negative. Okay, so 8 minus 2, 6 is 2.
Mhm.
So 2 is the
Remainder.
remainder. We cannot do anything else. So that's the remainder. Now, how you wanna write the answer? That's the question. Answer gonna be
x
X
plus 2,
plus
x
two
plus 2 plus
plus x plus 3 over 2. No, 2. Is it 2 over? Plus
I don't know which one.
two?
How do you write a remainder?
2 over 2 over x plus 3.
Good job.
Oh, really? No.
Yeah, right. That's what you
Is
get.
that actually?
Yeah, 1 point for Kayla. It is. It is. You just get the remainder divided by divisor. Question?
Is that the only way to write it?
That's the only way you write it. Don't write R. R is just like shortcut.
You should do the board thing. If anyone gets it right, we get
Oh, because we don't have enough time for Monday. We're gonna do it on Wednesday. Wednesday. So there's many ways they can ask you. They can write like this, divide like this, or they can write divided by, or they can also write like this.
But it all means the same thing.
They're the same thing. Oh, anyway, you know why this is the stand for division?
Because it's the one number. Yeah.
That's the fraction. Good. That's the correct 1 point. Yeah. This is actually the fraction. The dot stand for some number. So some number divided by some number. That's why this symbol is for division. Yeah, I know it's very kind of obvious, but like not you don't notice. All right, why don't you walk with me? Now this is the third example. I think you can do it. Come on, let's go.
So they're gonna put x cube plus 5x squared minus x 7x plus 2. And then on the outside is x minus 2. And then
So you can do by yourself. Actually, you can do on your own, and then you can compare the result here. Okay, you can work with Irma. So you're gonna do it here.
it's gonna be x squared.
Right, divide x cubed by x. You're gonna have x squared.
And then you're gonna multiply x times x squared. So it's gonna be x. cubed.
Very good. And then
And then you're gonna multiply the 5. Wait,
multiply back to the whole divisor.
to the 2, like x squared times 2.
Times -2.
Negative 2.
So it's gonna be
Negative two x squared.
right?
And then it's gonna be a positive because.
Right, it's gonna be positive.
And then it's gonna, like, the sum is gonna be 7x squared.
Good. Now what are you gonna do next with this?
And then we're gonna bring down the.
What, you bring down, chop them all down. Okay, can 7x squared still divided by x?
Yes.
Yes, right, you can keep going. So 7x squared divided by x, what do you have?
And then 7x.
7x, very good. Now multiply back. We just keep that process. Divide, multiply back, subtract, okay? 7x times x, the first one always be the same, 7x squared. And then 7x times
Times -2.
-2.
So it's gonna be -2x. Wait,
7x times -2.
oh, for -14.
-14, right? -14x. And then you're gonna
Like. it's
subtract
gonna be
them.
a positive. there.
Right, that's gonna be positive 14. Add them all. -7x plus 14x is
7x.
7x, very good.
and Bring down the plus.
Bring
two.
down the 2. Can you still divide it? Yes, right? 7x divided by x, you can still do it. So keep going until you cannot do it anymore. So you need to keep going.
And then it's gonna be.
Let me write right here so you can see easier.
Plus 7.
Plus 7. Good.
And so it's gonna be 7x
So 7x,
plus
be consistent with the color. So it's going to be
I messed up.
7x
Yeah, here.
Plus
I turned it in.
well, minus 14.
minus, not plus, minus
And then
14.
you're gonna change it
So
to
it's
plus.
plus-
Then you're going to change this, subtract them. You're going to change this to positive. So 2 plus 14 is
-12, like -12.
Oh, 20.
Wait. Oh, no, 16.
16. 2 plus 14. Add them all. So 16. Can you do more?
No.
No. So that's going to be the hourly remainder. So this is the hourly remainder. How did you write the answer then?
Gonna be x squared plus
X squared plus
7x
plus
7,
uh-huh.
and then plus 16 over x minus 2.
Awesome. That's the complete answer. One more for Irma. Who get correct answer? Who get the same answer? Good. All right. Take your question.
That's a lot.
Thank you.
Yes, it's pretty easy.
This one? This one?
No,
This one?
Wait,
like 5x squared and minus 2x2.
And that's just one
Why does
problem.
it become a positive?
Or why did it become positive? Yeah. So similar to here, you're gonna subtract them, right? So 15 subtract 15. So same thing here. You need to subtract this too. But if you don't write it this, somehow you're gonna forget that you subtract it. So I like you all to do this. If this is minus, you change to positive because negative and negative become positive. Right. This is negative on the front. We have the minus on the front.
Remove that negative.
This one, this is one, you distribute with a negative, you become positive. And then you don't look at this anymore, just look at this, add them all. Yeah, the first one, they always be 0, so that's why we don't talk about this. But whatever you have left over here, you need to change the sign. So negative become positive, and then you add them, 5 plus 2 is 7. So always flip the sign, always. Good. Sabrina?
why is it? Isn't it, don't you have to subtract it?
Yeah.
Cause I know you flip the sign, but.
Yeah, 2 plus 14, right? Because you flip the sign.
Say no.
So because this is negative 14, but you have a negative here, so negative and negative become positive, yeah. You can think like this, negative become positive. Right, negative, positive, negative, positive.
Is there so much work for one question?
I know, that's why later on you learn the synthetic division,
Oh,
you will see, it's faster.
it's like easier?
It's faster, easier, less space, because you see, take a lot of space. Space,
A lot of days.
space, and I can take a lot of space. Any question? It's similar to the one we learned in elementary school, right? I think the only difference first is the letter. Second, you need to multiply everything back to the divisor. Because now the divisor not only one number, but they have a polynomial.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The second step.
Okay.
He subtracts it over fifteen.
I put first one in the top, it's a negative, and then-
No, what did it?
Yeah,
No, what-
and then the other one turned into a positive, so you're gonna subtract later 7, and then there's gonna be a positive.
Is it just a plain one?
All right, let's do this.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Because 7x has a negative on it. 2.
We're studying this.
I know.
That's it, gonna work, huh? Who's sitting there?
I'm done.
Donovan? Maybe I can move Donovan. Oh, what Melanie wants with you or? Who's sitting here? Andrea.
No, you said I love
Where?
popcorn.
This is like, I
I
just
love
love
popcorn.
popcorn.
Give it yourself, okay? You're gonna get point.
Oh my god.
All right, let's do this one. What time we do?
Two, right now.
One. Right? 103.
For one side.
What I thought someone, okay. I thought that's Sabrina. No, spirit. All right, let's start this one. Well, how can we start? Oh, I see a lot of cans. Okay, let's. I want to call you later. Okay, I know you got this. I want you to sit someone else. Gary. Try this.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, just think about it a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, that's not.
Okay, so maybe can you go focus here? Let's just stop worrying a little bit. Let's focus on this one. Okay, we're gonna think about together. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Gary, go ahead. Don't worry anything. Let's just focus here. When you pay attention. You divide, right? X cubed divided by x is a square. What are you gonna do next? So you're gonna multiply back, right? Multiply back. So x squared times x is x cubed, and then multiply. It's gonna be 4x squared. And now what you're gonna do next? You're gonna subtract them. Very good. So this is gonna be gone. Negative and positive. So it's still negative, right? So that means you just flip the sign. Just flip the sign. 5 minus 4. What do you have? X squared. Let me consistent with the color. It's gonna be x squared. You chop out this one, right? What next? Divide by x. So you're gonna have just x. Very good. Multiply back. What do you have? X squared. That's 4x. Subtract them. What do you have? Something kind of weird here, right? Okay. Yeah, Gary, 1 point. Very good. Okay. Now you are younger. Who? Younger, you want?
Oh,
really?
I have 0x. At the beginning.
All right.
One that has x, but.
It is correct. Don't get me. This is correct. But to prevent all the mistakes, that's the first step right there. So younger, what should I write?
You should write 3.
Should I 3?
No. Plus 5x plus 0x.
Mhm.
There we go.
There we go.
That's what I was like.
Right? Because that's the one that you're missing the power. The highest power is 3. You go down to 2. Yes, we do have it, but we go down to 1. Do we have any 1? The extra power 1? No, you need to fill it in. Because remember, we need to align everything. Otherwise, you're gonna mess up. Well, it's not like really like mandatory. Like you need to have this. But if you don't have this, it's very high chance you're gonna make a mistake. For sure. So always fill in 0 for the missing power. Okay, you will see what's gonna be difference. You want to continue on? Okay, you let's go.
X squared.
X squared, x cubed divided by x, you have x squared. Multiply back, what do you have?
X cubed.
X cubed plus
Plus 4x.
4x cubed, 4 squared, right? Now you're gonna subtract them. Subtract them, what do you have?
So positive.
So it's gonna be negative, right? What next?
X squared.
So x squared
And then put it down.
Do you bring down a 0x? Yes. Okay, everything down, everything down. Minus 2. Okay, now divide it more. You have
Plus X.
plus x multiply
X squared.
x squared multiply
Plus 4X.
4x. Do you see? Do you see now you have the space? You have the space for the x. The before when we did it, we have a -2 right here, and when if you add them, you're gonna have a mistake. So it just means that you're gonna save the space for the x. That's it. Subtract them. What do you have? Yeah.
4X.
So it's gonna be changed again, right? So it's gonna be negative 4x. Very good. Negative. Yeah. Let me know if you want me to slow down or you have any question. Just stop me anytime, okay?
Okay.
Are you still with me? Let's go.
So, wait, so you don't subtract the X like alone?
The 0x minus 4x.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, 0x minus 4x is negative 4x. You do subtract it. But because it's 0, so basically just copy it. Okay, this is plus 4x, right?
Yeah.
Because you have subtraction, so you're gonna change that to negative 4x. Are we good so far? Yeah? 0 minus 4. What is 0 minus 4? No. Negative 4. 0 is nothing. 0 minus 4 is still negative 4.
Yeah, but you have the X. So like.
No, x 0 smiley face minus 4 smiley face. You have.
Okay.
You don't touch the power. You don't touch the x.
Multiply the 0 by
Yeah.
the X, right?
Right.
Oh, okay.
0 automatic is 0.
It's not very good.
You continue or you have question?
I got lost when you. Zero X.
0. Okay. 0 times x is 0.
No, but where,
Right.
where'd you get the zero X?
Right. That's the good question. Because you remember that on the step, you look at the first step, you need everything to be here.
Oh.
If you start from 3, you need to have x3, x2, x1, and then no x. You need all of them to be there. The reason, the purpose behind this is that you want to save the space. You want to save the column. Or the cube right here, or the square right here, or the x right here. If you don't have this one, make sure you leave the space.
Okay.
But just write 0. It's better. Yeah, it's better. That's it. Did I answer the question?
Yeah.
Good. Anyone saw some hand too?
There's gonna be a quiz on this? Yeah.
No, after this we're gonna have a test. No quiz anymore.
Oh. About the limit? Or-
That's okay. That's our old one. That's last week.
Oh.
So next week gonna be in unit test.
Are you
But
serious?
think about this. You already study for the quiz 2. You only study for the quiz 1. Now the unit test, you just need to study 2 more, the 6F and 6G.
Mr. already forgot what I did for the.
Mr.
for the quiz.
messing around here, no?
What's that?
I already forgot what I did for the quiz. No.
Yeah.
No, you gotta, when you already study it, when you review it again, it's very fast.
Are you
Okay,
giving
okay.
us like a study guide, like, you know those?
We will
things
review.
you-
We will review. Don't worry. We will review.
Is there a packet?
Okay, give one point for Younger.
Are we gonna review the packet at all? Like, that we could like tape?
Let me see if I can come up with a bucket.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Sabrina,
So you bring down the 2, right? So.
you bring down -2. Very good. Can -4x still divided by x?
Yes.
Yes, so continue. -4x divided by x is
Minus
-4.
4.
Yeah. Now what you gonna do next? You wanna multiply them back, right? So what -4 times x is?
-4.
Right. The first one, they all will be the same. Think about it. They all will be the same because we purposely divided. Now -4 times 4 is?
-4 times 4 is 16. Makes it -16.
Right. When you do a test, just ask Irma. What is -4 times 4? Right. Now you wanna do what?
But then here you
Subtract them. What does it mean?
You convert it to.
Right. You flip the sign. Okay. You flip the sign. It's gonna be now -2 plus 16. What is -2 plus 16?
14.
14. Right. What is the 14?
A reminder.
Right.
Reminder.
The reminder. Yeah. Remind yourself. This is the remainder. Okay. How about this? Now, see, no. How about your reminder? Okay, now,
Okay.
now that Sabrina, let Sabrina give the answer, then you can get point.
Okay. So it's gonna be x squared
Uh-huh.
plus x
Very good.
minus 4,
And how you write it?
Plus-
Remainder.
14
Very
over
good.
x plus 4.
Very good. 1 point 1 Sabrina. Good job. That's how you write the remainder. That's how you complete answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Like I was saying it was like 16.
Like I got to school and my hair was all drenched.
Trying to get 3 checks today.
I thought you were gonna leave.
Yes.
I just know that you're just gonna be there. Sometimes I think, I'm not sure if you're.
Just say think of that.
Okay, we can just stop. Okay, we just stop after this. Okay. Let's just do a short one today. That one is a one. Yeah. Right? No homework. Very short lesson. I know, right?
Is it the rain, the weather?
Yeah, just enjoy it. They're not going to happen again.
Days, miss.
Because today's storm.
Is it the hair? Is the hair making you look my body?
Oh no, sleep somewhere. It is.
It's gonna make something normal you put in your wall.
All right, two more questions. Let's start. Okay, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna give you homework then.
Okay, mister, I'm signing a petition.
Hey, do it all. Let's go. You can try by yourself, okay? Don't just look at here. You can try by yourself first. But you're gonna work with me, and then you can compare the result, okay? Yeah, that's where you're gonna write the dividend. You're gonna write dividend inside the L, okay? What did you write outside? Very good. Now, what you gonna start first? Only the front. Only the front. 2x cubed divided by 2x. What do you have? The 2x cubed divided by 2x. Take your time. 2 and 2, they already cancel out. So x squared, very good, x squared. Remember to work with the number, okay? All right, now what you're gonna do next? You're gonna multiply them back, okay? So x squared times 2x, again, the first term, they all will be the same. X squared times 3 is positive or negative? Positive. Remember the sign, okay? Oh, we didn't check, but actually you don't need to fill in any zero, right? The highest power is 3, and you do have 3, you do have 2, you do have 1, and you do have none of them. Okay, so there's no zero need to be filled in. Okay. Any question? What you gonna do next, Arturo? Subtract this, right? What changed? Right, so this gonna be changed to negative. You flip all the sign, okay? Negative 7x squared minus 3x squared, what do you have? 10x squared. Negative 10, right? Negative 10x squared, right? What you gonna do next? You're gonna chop all this down, right? Good, let's just give Arturo 1 point. Who wants to continue? Who didn't have any point today? You did. I think one point off for lying. Okay? Just kidding. Jacob, let's Jacob. You're the same person. Okay.
Good, good.
Oh yeah, Jacob. Okay, let's go, Jacob. Negative x squared divided by 2x is
-5.
negative 5x. Very good. Now multiply back. What do you have? Yeah, the first one will be the same. Then negative 5x times 3 is very good. Negative 15x.
Enjoy.
Subtract them. What do you have?
I hate that you said that.
Enjoy.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now check up. Look what you have. 2 or negative 2? Negative 17 plus 15. What is the bigger number? Bigger number is 17. So they must have the sign, the same sign with it. So negative 2x. You're gonna drop out this.
Wait.
Did we do anything wrong? Good, right? Does it look like the same kind of, make me think, we don't have any,
Wait, no. Oh, no, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Yes, there is this round. No.
let me see, let me copy the question right. Okay. All right, yeah. Okay, no, so this is actually correct. Okay. What are you gonna do next?
Negative.
Huh?
Wait,
What?
it is me. Wait.
Is supposed to, did you get this? Are we good so far? Yeah, okay. Now one point for Jacob. You want to finish it? Okay, Chris, go ahead.
It's zero, right? There's no like remainder.
-1. Right, -1. Let me see, put it better.
You're right.
-1.
It's you?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you gonna remember? Alright.
-3, right? Did you see they're exactly the same as this? What is the remainder? 0, right? So
Wait, what? It's okay.
this minus this, they're all the same. So this is gonna be 0 remainder. So tell me what is the final answer there? Very good. One more for Chris.
One line.
Who got, good. All right. Who got this correct answer here? Great. It's like 98%. Very good. Huh? You know this already? Okay. Good.
But I need a question, but I know. Are we done? Wait, Mr. Can you, Mr. We're done.
So we can, okay, actually we can stop here.
Done. Can you